Hello. Hello, good evening. Live from Doha. Okay, I am here at 3A Beirut with amigos. Amigos. Another amigos. Hamal? Jabal? Okay. Mr. Ali is going to introduce shawarma. Yes? Okay, I'm going to show you the hot, sexy, sexier, and even better shawarma. Okay. All right. Hello? Yeah, they're good? Don't be shy, it's okay. What is the name of this bread? Hazi? Saj? Saj bread, okay. And what are you applying? Mayonnaise? Mayonnaise. Okay, Mexican sauce. Mahuzik Mexican fish. Oh no, me no fish sandwich. I mean, okay, yeah, I will try. No problem.
Now this corn.
Corn? Okay. So, Ali, where are you from? Lebanon, which city?
South of Lebanon.
What is the name? I know there is four directions: south, north, east, west in Lebanon. Even in my place, it's the same, but you should say the name, like a Beirut, Damascus. Beirut.
Yes.
South Beirut.
Go Lebanon.
I don't go to Lebanon. I watch in the movie.
Go. This is the
What is that?
chicken mozzarella cheese.
Mozzarella cheese with chicken.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Everyone watching.
Everyone is watching. Yes, the world is watching. People likes you. You know that you are famous in our place. Yeah. Yes. I already shown it. I have shown it.
Now this put nachos.
Nachos. Guys, Manam same is there. He's preparing a Mexican shawarma. So he already put like a lot of sauce, corn. Basically corn, Mexican, they use a lot of corn, right? And also he put some nachos and some lettuce, mayonnaise, and he transferred into the griller. Okay, this is how this hot guy make the hot spicy shawarma. Okay. Are you sure that will be good? Promise? Promise? It will be. This one will be good for sure. People like it. Why you're sweating?
Now I will start the fish sandwich.
Okay. Don't be shy. Must say I'm shy. He's very shy guy. By the way, this is the first time I'm showing off. Don't make fun of this guy. There's one, and all my friends are watching. Here, and the restaurant is in Mirkab Mall. Just Mirkab. What is this? Al Nasser. Beirut. Beirut is the name. Okay.
لازم اكيد لازم والله هي القصه.
Okay, so this one will be the fish.
Yes.
Okay. For me, I prefer less bread. Less bread you can cut half. Yeah, just one roll, one cover. Yeah. Because in the night we should not eat a lot of carbohydrates.
Thai?
Huh?
You are making Thai?
Yes, you want?
You are making
I make diet. Not for me. I make diet for the people, not for me.
Okay, okay.
If I eat a lot of carbs, I will not wear these sexy tops tomorrow. Yeah.
I prefer belly. Honestly, I prefer belly.
Different types. Different types of men likes different women. Me, women, different men, I like it. Not maybe like you. Mashallah, Ali. Ooh. Okay, and then now he transferred to the griller. Done? Khalas?
Yes.
Khalas?
Now,
Now I eat after this.
toast them
Uh-huh.
on the toaster and you will start it.
Tell me something about yourself. Come here, come close.
About myself.
About yourself.
Okay. My name is Ali.
Yes.
Yes, I love medicine so much. I don't know what I will say.
What do you say here? You look yourself better?
Yes, of course. For
My
people.
friend say you are very
Hel-
handsome.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Yes, this is Instagram or
This
YouTube.
is YouTube.
Okay. Okay.
Where do I look from? Where do I look from?
Thailand?
Thailand?
Yes.
Have you been to Thailand?
Me, no, I don't know. No, no. I wish I will go.
You will go.
Yes, maybe Taiwan.
Taiwan?
Yes,
Why Taiwan?
I like Taiwan.
Why?
Because Melody is from Taiwan.
Who?
Melody is from Taiwan.
Ah, I see.
Yes.
You like that.
Is that?
I see. You are very good in Instagram also.
Oh, you see my account.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Yes.
So I am from India.
India? No, you don't look.
Why? I'm from India.
I don't look Indian.
You are, I can guess. Maybe you are from between India and Nepal.
No, I'm from India.
Great.
So this guy is saying that I am from between India and Nepal, which is not right. Very bad choice. Very bad guessing.
India.
India, yeah, India. Google it.
But you don't look like India.
Yeah, I do. That I agree. I don't look like India because you don't know India.
I know India very, very well.
Because India is too big. And my place is called Manipur. Manipur, yeah.
Manipur.
Manipur, yes.
Manipur.
And the food is ready, guys. I'm gonna show. Is this the one? This is how it looks like, the final touch. Very good presentations. I would say 7 out of 10. Yeah. Guys, come. Thank you very much, Ali. Guys, I taste today. I will let you know, and I'm gonna type on the description the areas and everything if anybody wants to come and try this one, and also come on Instagram. On Instagram, I will put this picture. Bye bye.